Hello, Right Recipe for Travel family. I'm Cynthia, your host. Welcome back to the show. Today, I am so excited to begin our 5-part series on luxury eating, drinking, playing, and living in Arlington, Texas. I'm talking about Texas Live. Do you know Texas Live? Well, after this 5-part series, you'll know all about it. Come along with us for the right recipe. Add a little luxury to your eating, playing, and drinking. We're going to start off with this first video giving you a detailed room tour of Live by Loews. Then after that, there will be a complete video on the review of that room. One video will feature and focus on the restaurant inside of Texas Live, Cut and Bourbon, and you cannot forget about Texas Live itself. Also, we're going to include bonus footage about the things that are nearby Texas Live. You might be very surprised what you can do all within a 5-mile radius. Come along with us. The adventure begins with the hotel room tour. Live by Loews is a stylish sports resort centrally located in Arlington, Texas, between Dallas and Fort Worth, and just 10 minutes from the DFW International Airport. This 14-story resort features 300 guest rooms and luxury suites, each outfitted with custom decor and floor-to-ceiling windows. The complex houses 5 chef-curated food and beverage outlets, including a classic steakhouse, Cut and Bourbon. Amenities include a fitness center and a private poolside cabana, along with an infinity pool with sweeping views. And let's take a tour. We'll come in first. Hi. As soon as you walk in, to the left is your floor-to-ceiling closet. Let's take a look. So, as soon as you open those closet doors, the light comes on. I'll start at the top. Looks like you have extra blankets, maybe pillows. And as we move our way down, and at the very top, there's lighting at the very top of the, hopefully you can see that, at the very top of the cabinet, there's lighting. Okay, and we come down here, and we have our ironing board. We have our iron. There is an ironing board as well. We have plenty of hangers, 2 lovely bathrobes, and the ironing board. And you also have 3 drawers. Let's check out the drawers. So inside of the first drawer is your safe, and I haven't put any combination into that one yet. So that's in the top drawer. Then we just have storage in these 2. And there is some space down here at the bottom. We're going to close these doors. And directly to the right as you come in, there's just a bit of wall space, and then you have the opening to your bathroom, and it is on barn door sliders. So it is a sliding barn door track system for the bathroom. Okay, let's take a look inside. I've already stepped in, so as soon as you step in, the lights come on. And let me just show you the entrance to the bathroom. To the left, you have a floor-to-ceiling walk-in shower. It is massive. Let's take a look. And there is a towel here. Oh, we have entered.
looks like you can change it. You have your full-length mirror, and it is lighted at the top and the bottom. You have your products here. I'm not sure what this is. Let me see. Oh, cotton balls. Let's see. Makeup remover, cotton balls, and Q-tips. And then we have some towels. Looks like it's the Beekman 1801 Body Balm Lotion and Julian Farrell Shower Cap. Large sink. We have Beekman 1801 Dispensary Cleansing Formula Facial Soap. And then we have a tissue dispenser and some tissue. There is an outlet here to the side. And then we have the large magnifying mirror with a light on it. Let's turn it on. Now we can see clearly. Then over here is the actual toilet. Live by Loews, your toilet, and there is a trash can. A unique work of art, and we do have the 2 light switches. Okay, let's keep going. We have this full-length mirror, and it looks like a place to sit or put bags or storage, and then underneath there is space as well. Going further, we have this like mini bar area, and it is stocked with water, creamer, decaf, French roast, green tea, condiments, cups, a little coffee machine, single brew machine. Then we have gummy bears. Let's see what else we have here. Chocolate peanut candies, jumbo cashews, and chocolate chip cookies. And then behind we have Fiji waters, 4 of them. And here is the price for those mini bar items. Down below we have this drawer that opens up, and I see for your ice and additional storage. And here we have the refrigerator. Okay. Turning back around as we come into the room. To the left is our thermostat. If we turn to the right, we can see our bed. Let's go this way. We have a lamp, phone, headboard. They give you a pen and paper and looks like some hand sanitizer. There is a drawer with a Bible and just more storage underneath. I don't see any okay, I do. There are plenty of outlets. And it says the headboard light. Let's turn on the headboard light. Oh, I see it up under here. I'm sure at night that's gonna be really cool. The headboard light. Let's continue on. Coming back, give you the whole view here. We have a king-size bed. Looks like we have plenty of pillows. I'll try those out and let you know how that works. bed looks huge and comfy. Then we also have, as we continue on, another dresser area with a lamp with multiple outlets. Very good, USB. We have a clock. And then this desk area here, which of course has storage underneath. And then we have the settee, little sofa settee area that you can look out of the massive windows. I'll show you that in just a little bit. There is a chair here. I'm sorry, a table here. There are no chairs. We'll get to that. Then if you turn to the left on this side, we have the artwork, and we have a desk here as well, your trash can, and one chair, and a lamp with many more outlets. They're amply supplying outlets. If we pull back some, we have the very large television, and it's sitting on this stand. And then there's like the settee, this chair, long bench chair that can pull out. This was something interesting. Right here I saw this little closet area and I thought, well, what is this? Let me show you what it is. It's your AC. I won't be needing to mess with that. Then let's span around here to the window. Large window that covers one whole wall. Blackout curtains. But let's go take a look and see what our view is of this room. What do you know? Dumb boys. That's the AT&T Stadium that I'm looking directly at across the way. Lovely view outside of these massive windows. So there you have it. That is the room tour for our room here at Loews Live, Texas Live, and this is room 1006. This is listed as a premium 1 king room. I'm going to give you all the details about the bed, how the shower is, how I feel in here, how comfortable it is. We're going to tour the hotel and see what else that there is available here at the Loews Live. I did want to mention that I parked valet, and valet parking was $38 per night. All right, thank you, Right Recipe for Travel family.